Hey guys, another quick video. I want to show you a great recipe for a natural sunscreen. A lot of the sun blockers and the sunscreens out there have all sorts of chemicals that actually increase your risk of getting skin cancer, okay? So this is a natural thing you could make at home and use it as needed when you go out in the sun. So basically you're going to take a half a cup of coconut oil, a fourth of a cup of olive oil, and then aloe vera. You can get it in a gel. Make sure there's no other chemicals in there. You just want straight aloe, fourth of a cup. Okay, mix this together. Just slightly heat it over the stove just so it can melt all together. Then you're going to add something called zinc oxide, 2 tablespoons. Make sure you get the non-nano version, that way it won't absorb into the skin too much. And this will be a great combination to help protect you against some of the UV rays and also help your skin as far as the oils. All right, and thanks for watching. So we've been getting a lot of success stories, but I don't have your success story yet. So click the link down below and upload your before and after. I want to actually hear about your success story. I want to see your before and afters. And every week we do featured success stories. So click the link down below and share your success.